come jump with my horse with me. And yes, this is going to be my first channel video on the proper YouTube channel. So you can see that it is called I Love Horses. I'm just putting his mane out. Now here I am doing a little hobby horse. So yeah, this is me. Little shadow. Right. Here we're gonna go hobby horsing, so let's go. Now here we are just simply doing a little jump. And yeah. So what are you doing today? Anything nice? Let me know down. Let me know in the comments section below. And we can just walk him off a bit because it's very hot. Then there's Coco in his other paddock right now. It's looking very cute, very cheeky as well. Anyways, let's get back to riding. Now apparently Coco is going to have a foal soon. So definitely look out for that video. Okay, guess we'll try it now. Have you got a hobby horse? So let me know if I should keep posting hobby horsing videos or if you want me to try something else. Maybe one day I'll do a Q&A. So yeah. If I haven't get any comments, so please, pretty please, send a comment down below, down there in the comments. I'm not sure if I did it the right way or not, but let's hope we did. Anyways, just got to jump. That wasn't the smoothest. That's alright. I say hi to Coco. Hi Coco! He's a pretty boy. Sunbathing. But yeah, this is a whole his paddock. See rock. Then that's what all the horses like to stay. Then this is another paddock. Whoa! Okay, that was scary. But I don't know if you saw or not, but I'm just gonna go over it again with you. So you got that bit, that bit, that bit, that bit, all the way down to the end. Let's go. So after this, I'm going to put Popcorn out in his paddock. I'll go ride my scooter because I like saying my scooter is a horse. So my scooter being a horse, some people think it's weird, some people would think it's like boom, I'm gonna get bullied. But I don't think you would bully me, right? I hope not. Let's just go jump over this jump now. Okay, I'll do a couple more jumps and then we will start attacking him. So, yeah. I might pause and then I might play and I might pause it for a bit, play again and I might pause it to attack up. So, do. Alright, I'm back again and Popcorn has been all warmed up. So we could do a little family tour over there. It's magic. See him, the little grey? That's magic. I don't ride him, he was my old hobby horse. Anyways, I didn't actually have a proper hobby horse, so I used him. He used to be my favourite. good boy. So yeah, I'm gonna go dismount, and then I'm gonna walk him off. Then I'm gonna dismount. I'm gonna dismount, put him down, take the jump down, and then I'll lead him to get him set. Like, give him a nice little groom. But he's just so beautiful. Like, who doesn't love him? If you don't think that's right. If you don't want to support my channel, like, if you somehow found my channel and you don't like it, then please just don't put any hate comments on it, because that would really hurt my feelings. But if you put hate comments on it, I guess you do you. But I recommend you don't, because it would make this world even more worse than it already is. So if you just put like nice comments and supportive, I could give you a shout out in my next video if I do another one. So I'm gonna go dismount, take the jump down, and I'll see you after I've done that. Just about to record, guys, and then my phone, I just dropped my phone. So yeah, leading him back. Here's popcorn. It's ready and moving to go get groomed. Let's go. No, I am not on him. You can see my footsteps. Anyway, let's go. I'm going to see Six the Musical in cinema. Now, will I become a big YouTuber? Probably not. But I would love for all my subscribers, and I would love all the support. Right, here he is. Oh, nice, and he's looking good. Make sure this is all for his. Gonna put his full look. There we go. Who is your favourite YouTuber? If we've been this. Hi. If you've gotten this far, sorry about that. If you've got this far, comment down below your favourite comment down below your favourite season. Spring, winter, autumn, or summer. Mine personally is winter. Right. I'm gonna go groom him. I'll see you in a second. Alright, all groomed. Gave his hair with a brush. And now, what did I say what I was gonna do? Hey, popcorn. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take this popcorn back into his paddock. Let him have a good roll around with his brother. And then that's the end of this video. But anyways, I hope you've enjoyed this video. And I'm sorry if it wasn't that long or you didn't like it. If you didn't like it, but you still want to watch more, I have got some shorts which you can click on my channel button. And you can click on my channel button. And you can click on my channel button. And you can click on my channel button and look at my shorts. And I really hope you enjoy this video. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. That is it for today. Bye.